Protect your investment and extend the life of your RV with a durable, weather-resistant cover. The best travel trailer covers offer superior protection against sun, rain, snow, and dust, keeping your trailer safe, clean, and road-ready year-round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Umbrauto RV Travel Trailer Cover. The Umbrauto RV Travel Trailer Cover delivers a perfect blend of durability, protection, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for all-season RV storage. It features a bi-component 7-layer top made from high-tech fabric that significantly enhances tear resistance by 30%. This design is ideal for shielding your trailer from the elements, including UV rays, rain, snow, and wind. What stands out is the clever balance between strength and usability. Thanks to an innovative material structure, the cover is 20% lighter and 25% more compact than earlier models, making setup and storage much easier without sacrificing performance. The soft-touch fabric is gentle on water-based paint finishes, helping to protect your RV from scratches, leaves, bird droppings, and dust, while maintaining a sleek appearance. Breathability is another strong suit. 6 built-in vents reduce wind pressure and allow moisture to evaporate efficiently, preventing mold and mildew from forming inside. The system also includes 2 extra windproof straps and pre-attached buckle straps for superior hold during windy conditions. Sun and water resistance are maximized with an upgraded UPF 50+ rating and a 15% improvement in waterproof capabilities, ensuring comprehensive protection throughout the year. Whether parked at a campsite or stored in your driveway, this cover keeps your RV looking fresh and protected from aging or weather-related damage. Number 2. VINPATIO Travel Trailer Cover. The VINPATIO Travel Trailer Cover is a highly durable and weather-resistant option that provides excellent protection against the harshest outdoor elements. The upgraded top panel now features a 7-layer non-woven fabric construction, replacing the previous 3-layer version. This major improvement significantly enhances the cover's ability to resist tearing, UV degradation, and aging from sun exposure. Reinforced with a built-in waterproof membrane and anti-UV coating, this cover ensures your RV remains in pristine condition even in extreme weather. With a waterproof PU coating rated at 2,000 millimeters, the VINPATIO cover performs well during heavy rain and snow, offering dependable defense against moisture intrusion. One of the key highlights is its excellent UV protection. The additional UV-resistant layer works to prevent discoloration, cracking, or degradation of your trailer's exterior over time. For safety and convenience, the cover includes 4 rollable zippered doors, 3 on the right side and 1 at the rear, allowing for easy access to RV doors and engine compartments without removing the entire cover. It also includes reflective strips in the front and rear, enhancing visibility and reducing the risk of accidents at night. When it comes to wind resistance, the VINPATIO cover comes with a complete kit that includes adjustable windproof straps for a secure fit. It also features 6 gutter covers with sponges to prevent sharp edges from puncturing the fabric. This attention to detail helps reduce damage during installation and prolong the life of the cover. If needed, you can also use extra towels or foam padding for added protection on sharp edges.
Number 3. Kingbird Travel Trailer Cover. The Kingbird Travel Trailer Cover is built to endure rough weather and long-term exposure with its premium construction and thoughtful design. At its core, the cover uses a heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric for the top layer, which is far more durable than typical non-woven materials. The sides are made of 210D fabric, contributing to better tear resistance and structural strength. With up to 450 lbf tensile strength, this cover excels in holding up against strong wind, rain, and physical stress, making it a great option for year-round use in tough environments. One of its strongest features is its reinforced wind protection system. In addition to the standard 2 over-the-roof straps, it includes an extra long horizontal strap that wraps underneath the RV to keep the cover tightly secured and prevent billowing or tearing. Elastic hems and tension panel straps on the front and rear further enhance the tailored fit, ensuring the cover stays put even during extreme wind gusts. On the waterproofing front, the Kingbird cover performs exceptionally well with its thick PU coating. It achieves a 2,000 millimeter waterproof rating, allowing water to bead and roll off efficiently, keeping the interior dry and rust-free. This package includes a full set of accessories that add incredible value. 4 tire covers, a tongue jack cover, 6 gutter spout covers, 2 weighted toss sticks for easy installation, and a repair patch for minor damages. There's even a step-by-step instruction manual to guide you through the setup. With its unbeatable strength, waterproof performance, and added accessories, the Kingbird cover is clearly designed with RV owners' practical needs in mind.
Number 4. RV Masking Travel Trailer Cover. The RV Masking Travel Trailer Cover stands out for its innovative fabric and comprehensive weather protection, making it a solid choice for RV owners who demand reliability in all conditions. This cover is made from a newly developed mixed anti-UV composite fabric on the top panel, which incorporates a 5-layer white composite with tear stop technology. The sides are made from 3-ply non-woven material, offering excellent resistance to wear and tear. This design effectively shields your RV from rain, snow, dirt, UV rays, and physical abrasions such as scratches and scuffs.
Wind resistance is where this cover truly excels. RV Masking employs a redesigned side tension panel system with a repositioned middle strap area that increases the wind resistance zone. Along with 2 extra body straps, this setup delivers superior hold, reducing the chance of the cover being blown loose during high winds. The ventilation system includes 6 air vents, which work to relieve internal moisture buildup and pressure while promoting fast drying, keeping the inside of your RV mildew-free and protected.
At night or in low-light parking areas. These small yet practical touches contribute to both safety and user comfort. In summary, the RV Masking Travel Trailer Cover offers dependable protection against harsh weather, UV rays, and wind, while being designed for daily usability. Its thoughtful construction, from the advanced fabrics to the user-friendly features, makes it a strong contender among the best travel trailer covers available today.
Number 5. SILIVN Travel Trailer Cover. This SILIVN travel trailer cover is specifically designed for fiberglass RVs, delivering a snug and protective fit for 8 to 10-foot travel trailers. Made from high-quality 420D Oxford fabric, this cover offers enhanced tear resistance, giving it a longer service life than conventional non-woven alternatives. The material is ideal for withstanding sun exposure and physical stress that can cause weaker fabrics to age or disintegrate quickly. Waterproofing is another area where this cover excels. The Oxford cloth is coated with a waterproof PU layer that withstands up to 3,000 PA water pressure. In addition, the seams are sealed with waterproof straps to prevent leaks in vulnerable areas, ensuring the interior of your RV stays dry even during heavy rain or snowstorms. This makes it a top pick for RV owners who need strong weather protection in unpredictable climates. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.